Hey there, I'm Ramit from Ramit Engineering Works. Today we have some serious problems on my workbench. It's 10 p.m. on the clock and just we arrived this G31 Jabronics motherboard. It has got some serious problems with the display line. It doesn't have the output display. So today we discuss and troubleshoot this type of motherboards in this video. Let's start this video up. So first of all, we connect the power supply with this motherboard. We have this ATX power supply here. We just connect the power supply on the board. And VG cable is also connected. Here we just connect the RAM in the RAM slot. So here you can see. So here we just on the supply. There is everything on, but there is no display on the screen. So right now we have seems that the processor is okay and the RAM is also new one, and we have to change the crystal. We just check the crystal oscillator. So now we check this for 32 kilohertz waveform from the oscillator. We just select the channel 1 and the coupling select to the AC mode. It's AC 1 mega ohm, and just connect the lead on this. You can see the waveform. Here we just click on. That is the waveform we have. We just measure the frequency, the all parameters. Here we have the all the parameters that we have on the screen. So from there we just check the frequency of the signal. Here we have the frequency of 50 Hertz, which is not good at this time. We just use the 32 kilohertz frequency on this crystal oscillator. So we just change this crystal oscillator and just see the waveform on the screen. So this is AC signal, but we just want the running. We just want (32 kilohertz wave). So we just change this crystal oscillator. So here you can see we just desolder the crystal oscillator from there. You can see the crystal oscillators of 32 kilohertz waveform. We just desolder it out and put the new from my catalog of these crystal oscillators. Here you can find these crystal oscillators in my workshop. We have 32 kilohertz PC motherboard oscillators also, and we have also 12 megahertz crystal oscillators. Here you can see it's 12 megahertz. We also had 11.2 megahertz crystal oscillators. Here you can see it's from YXC company. It's 11.0592 megahertz crystal oscillator. So we just use this type of crystal oscillator. We just get one out of this bunch of bags. So here you can see. So here we have the crystal oscillator is connected on the screen, as you can see. Now we check the frequency out and let's check for 32 kilohertz waveform. Here you can see we just solder this out. So right now we change this crystal oscillator from here and checked out the waveform with this DSO. It's making right now, it's make 32 kilohertz waveform. So now we just connect the VGA cable with this motherboard and put the RAM on place. And now it's time to check the connectivity display. We just switch on the display right there. We just connect the on off switch here, and here you can see the display is on. Here you can see. Now we have the display on the screen. Here we connected. So here you can see we just use this SanDisk USB thumb drive as a bootable disk, and here you can see the Windows that runs from this USB disk. And due to this little component, the whole motherboard stops making the display. So due to this component, the display problems occur sometimes, and there is probability of 22% that this device fails. And we just check this with this. We just check the thing with oscilloscope only. So we just use this type of instruments to diagnose and troubleshoot these problems. I hope you enjoy.